Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting journey with Soul Summary. Ready to transform your life in just a few minutes a day? Imagine having the power to change your mindset, boost your productivity, and achieve your goals, all with just a few minutes of your time. Welcome to Soul Summary, your quick guide to wisdom and success. Here we distill the essence of the most profound books, lectures, and life experiences into bite-sized, actionable insights. Imagine unlocking the profound knowledge from the best minds in history, all in bite-sized, easy-to-digest videos. From ancient philosophers to modern-day thought leaders, we bring their wisdom straight to you. Soul Summary is here to empower you with valuable lessons from self-development, psychology, and entrepreneurship. Whether you're looking to improve your personal life or professional career, we've got you covered. Every week I dive into books, lectures, and life experiences to pull out the key takeaways and actionable insights you need to grow. Our goal is to make learning not just easy, but also enjoyable and impactful. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, master your mindset, or become a better leader, Soul Summary has got you covered. We provide you with the tools and knowledge to excel in every aspect of your life. Why spend hours digging through dense books when you can get the essence in just a few minutes? Our summaries are designed to give you the most important points quickly and efficiently. Save time and get straight to the point with our concise summaries of profound ideas. We know your time is valuable and we aim to make every second count. Imagine the impact on your life when you consistently learn from the best. The knowledge you gain can transform your thinking, inspire new ideas, and propel you towards your dreams. At Soul Summary, I believe that continuous learning is the key to personal growth and success. By making learning a daily habit, you can unlock your full potential. By understanding and applying the lessons from great thinkers, you can improve your mindset, enhance your skills, and achieve your goals faster. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards greatness. So, whether you're in the hustle of daily life, balancing work and family, or simply looking for a boost of inspiration, Soul Summary is here to help you stay on track. We provide the motivation and knowledge you need to keep moving forward. Subscribe now and start your journey towards wisdom and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life with the power of knowledge. Join the Soul Summary community and transform your life, one summary at a time. Connect with like-minded individuals who are also on a journey of growth and self-improvement. Hit that subscribe button and unlock your potential today. Every new video is a step towards a better, more informed you. Remember, learning from the best minds in history has never been easier. With Soul Summary, you have access to a treasure trove of knowledge at your fingertips. Soul Summary is your go-to channel for growth and inspiration. We are dedicated to helping you become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the path to greatness. Together we can achieve incredible things. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and stay hungry for knowledge. The journey of learning never ends, and neither does the potential for growth. See you in the next video. Keep striving for excellence and never stop learning.